things for the day. If you want to enjoy what you have, should stop to worry what you have not. Yes, my friends, it's very important. If you want to enjoy what you are having with you, then why to worry which is not with you? So, my friends, today's topic is happiness is what you enjoy with you. Once most of the people are worried about what we are not having, they are not enjoying what they are with them. So it's very important we should have to concentrate and enjoy what we have. Only you will be satisfied. Otherwise you will be always in a stressed mode or in a discomfort mode or in a depressed mode. So always we have to focus to improve yourself or to get more. But you have to live in what is with you. You have to enjoy your life with what is you. You don't worry about the I am not getting this or that. So you should have to thinking that, means in Hindi you can say that प्राप्त है वो पर्याप्त है, means you are having what is it you, it is sufficient to you, then only you will get improved. So I am also enjoying the happiness with what is with me only, not with others, or worrying not is not with me. So when you have this type of attitude, you will be always in a happy mode, your confidence will be improved, then you can concentrate and focus on your work. And when you are focusing on your work, that time you get the success and you get more than what is with you, and then you have to, happiness is also more increased. So I am also in the, I don't think about what is with not with me. I am enjoying the things with the what is with me, and because of that I am always happy and fresh. So if we see this small child, he is also is happy, like because of that type of attitude. He enjoy what is with him and not worry about what is not with him. So my friends, if you like this video, like, share and comment. Bye bye.